Okay, we're getting ready to get the grill out. Been sitting right here for the whole winter, so I'm gonna pull it out here and see if we can't get that out of here. Let's see, watch the roof. Watch the roof, watch the roof. Watch the roof. Watch the roof. We'll be grilling steaks tomorrow for Easter. The old grill looks like it. I put this roof on it last summer. It looks like with our tarps on the hanging around it, looks like it protected it pretty good. To clean up the egg a little bit, maybe put some cleaner on the handle. Clean this up here, but it's not too bad. So we'll get that going. And then I think we'll take the tarp off the Tiki Bar next. So, okay, see you in a couple minutes. There, we're back. We got the Tiki Bar, all the tarps taken off of the Tiki Bar. So that's the next step to get spring going. If you kind of peek over the Tiki Bar, you can see the Rat Rod scooter project sitting there. And you can see the Boland's articulating tractor sitting there, and you can see the old grater blade from my old grater that I turned into the Jeep. And then if you look over on their bridge, you can see all of our fencing that we put out every spring from this front yard. And that's more of our little spring projects. And let's see, I think that's about it on that. First little sign of spring is getting the grill out and getting the Tiki Bar uncovered, so it won't be too long. We still probably are going to get more snow, but it shouldn't be too bad. So okay, that's the second part of our little video, so see ya. Okay, we got the grill out, we got the Tiki Bar uncovered. Next in line is the Jeep. So let's see if I can get the Jeep uncovered. Oh yeah, the little flat fender Willie Jeep. Ah, nice to see it again. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but it's a sure sign of spring. We can hear the ice cream truck music going, so that's pretty funny. 1, 2, 3 things. Ooh, got my flags. I'll put my flags on here. Make it look like the sand dunes. There's one. There's one there. My little Jeepster. Okay, so now we'll be back in another couple of minutes and we'll undo the Gator. So see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, we got the grill, the Tiki Bar, the Jeep, and now time to uncover the Gator. So see if we can get that uncovered. there. There's nothing normal about the Willys Jeep. I hand build it and build it over the running gear of a wheel horse garden tractor, and this is not normal. This was electric powered Gator, and somebody drove it into Lake Michigan and left it overnight underwater, and so I stripped all electric stuff off of it, cut the back of the frame, and I drove a 18 horse Cub Cadet hydrostatic drive into the back of it, and replumbed everything. I used the power steering unit for the hydraulic dump on the box. So I put a lift kit in it, made front and rear bumpers for it, rebuilt the roll cage, and so this is kind of a one-of-a-kind Gator, powered by the 18 horse twin cylinder Cub Cadet. So I think it was 1803. So okay, it's for sure sign of spring. Okay, see you later. There, here's the end of the video, or the beginning, whatever however Deb edits it. And here's actually the engine progress. So I was going to kind of show you without it inside. So there's that side, and there's that side. And I didn't get a whole lot done on the engine today. Deb and I took off goofing off for about 3 hours, so that was nice. It's 50 degrees and nice. So there's that. And Deb, if you want to look kind of down here real quick, there's the battery box, the battery and the battery box and the cable on that side, and here's the battery box and battery and cables on this side. So I got that. So if you want to back up, Deb, I'll show you that I did make I made the other flasher light today. So I got that done, and nothing. Did a little bit of tubing work here for the engine, and I did kind of look at the radiator a little bit here. So this will have to be cut and trimmed and bent, and eventually this piece is a little short, but I think once I put the frame around it and the holes and the screws, that actually will work good. So that will probably end up being part of my radiator grill right there. So I'm going to the next day I work out here, it's supposed to rain a couple days, so I'll get back out here Monday for sure. Tomorrow's Easter, so I won't work out here tomorrow, but then I will spin the tractor around, and maybe I'll do that right now while I write on the video. So let's see if we can spin the tractor around without it rolling off.
Oh, jeez.
If it rolls off, Deb, catch it.
All right.
Okay, so here we go, guys. Okay, so I need this side to be over there. So I'm going to just kind of, not too bad. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Need this part here. Actually, I might want to, no, because I'm going to work on the back, so I want to spin it all the way around. So let's see what we got here. Right there. And here. We're getting there. And right. Oh, here comes the ice cream guy. If you see him go by, Deb, point her out there. You see him? Mm-hmm. You went by? You want ice cream? You want a popsicle?
No.
Okay. Try anything.
I know.
Okay, there.
Remember these little models that you just stick right here on your workbench? Them out and carry them. Then you get these ones that weigh whatever.
I love these.
I know.
I love them.
It's awesome. I like it, but they're heavy.
I think these are the ones that people remember. They'll remember not only the model, they'll remember seeing step by step how it was built. There. Now I can get to this side and I can get to the rear. So that's perfect. There's enough stuff my welding gloves under that one. And I'll stuff some under the front of it. Right there. And a couple more on the back of this one. Another one here. There, she's good to go. There, back in business. Okay guys, there's the engine again. Progress, she's getting there. So, we got a ways to go, but it's looking pretty cool. Okay, see you later.